CutbotLeather material table list. At first, here is the table list. Now you can set its table. And how about the table? The table is on the file. You can set in the Excel file. And let's see the Excel file. And in the Excel file, you can see the first column is the name, material's name. The second column is its type. And what is its type? Its type is the number 0, that means it's laser. Number 1, it means it's lower. Number 2 means it's black. So you see here is the mesh. Mesh 40 inches. The width is 40 inches. And about the roller, we don't need to input the length. But about the black, we need to input the width and the length. For about the laser, we just set the laser's name and we don't need to put his size. That is the table. So you can create the table by yourself. And after that, then we can, in our program, we can input the material table list. So here we can open, we click open, and here we select the material CSV. So here is the material table list, and we open. After we open it, then you see here is the table list here. And what is the table list used for? Suppose here I select the mesh 52 inches width, and I open a DSF file. Let's open a black DSF file, and here, when we open it, then we load the DSF file, and we will automatically to insert the material inside it. And after that, we can also see here it's a different size. So in the piece page, we can select it. Maybe I want to change its material. So I will here to select the material 52. Okay, then it will change. For the same one here, this one, and this one, it will change as the mesh 52. Or maybe I want to change this one. So I will change it, maybe I change it, select it as a black. Then it will become a black. And suppose I want to change it, become a laser. So it will become a laser. On the other hand, we can check our table list. Here the table list here we can set the material name is here, and the material type, roller, black, or laser. Here, if you click the material type, so you can see if you click 1, then it's laser, it's roller. If you click 0, then it's laser. Let's see. Then it will change it as a laser. If I input 2, okay, then it will become black. And I input 1, then it's roller. And also I can change here. Suppose here this is black. So I input 2, then it is black, and it's low. Here it's laser, so I input 0, then here you will show it's laser, and now it's the material table list. useful. On the other hand, we will have a code will automatically use the name as its code. So if we want to change code, then we click here. If not, then our component name will be the code name. Here, and we do not have the quantity, so the order quantity. So here you will see it's become this dark color, dark red color. So if we input the order quantity, maybe it's 100, then you see here we will have a left. We will have its order quantity. That is the way to make a table list to combine with our file.